Welcome back. Time now for the business day. GraceKennedy is reporting a boost in investor confidence after regional credit rating agency CARICRIS reaffirmed its strong credit ratings for 2025 and upgraded its overall management risk rating to the highest level. GraceKennedy's regional and national ratings remain among the best in the Caribbean, reflecting what CARICRIS calls a good to high level of creditworthiness. The agency praised GK's steady expansion through strategic acquisitions, operational efficiency, and growing demand for its food products. Group CEO Frank James says the upgrade is a testament to the company's strong leadership and disciplined strategy as it builds a global Caribbean brand. Group CFO Andrew Masado adds that the recognition confirms GraceKennedy's commitment to sound financial management and long-term sustainability. Now, Mailpack Group Limited says it's strengthening its corporate governance framework. The company's board announced that following a recent review, it has approved 3 new policies: a whistleblower policy, a securities trading policy, and a new code of conduct. As it relates to the whistleblower policy, the company says the intent is to encourage and enable employees to make, in good faith, protected disclosures of improper conduct within Mailpack without being subjected to any form of retaliation. It adds that the changes, which are in line with the Jamaica Stock Exchange's junior market rules, aims to boost transparency and accountability within the company. The company says it will continue to assess its operations regularly and update its policies as needed to ensure full compliance with the JSE standards. And the JSE index declined by 838 points, while the junior market index advanced by 14 points. The advancing stocks were led by Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Caribbean Cream, JPS 7% preference shares, Express Caterings, and AS Bryden & Sons Holdings. The losing shares included MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, US dollar shares, Salada Foods, Productive Business Solutions 10% preference shares, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, and Berger, 18 shares traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $160.63. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.17. The pound is going for $219.03, while the euro is selling for an average $191.32. And that's the business day. News from overseas after the break.